Question number 1 of this exercise says that blood groups of 30 students of class 8th are recorded as follows. So this is the given data. The next part of the question says that represent this data in the form of a frequency distribution table and find out which is the most common and which is the rarest blood group among these students. So we will be drawing a tabular column first and list out the various types of blood groups that we see here. So we have blood group A, we have blood group B, we have blood group AB, and we have blood group O. So we will be first finding the number of students who have got the blood group A. So the students with blood group A have been highlighted, and then there are 9 students that we can see. Then let's find out the number of students who have got the blood group B. So as we can see, there are 6 students who have got the blood group B. Our next step is to find the number of students who have got the blood group AB. So you can see that there are only 3 students who have got the blood group AB. Then we will be finding the number of students who have got the blood group O. So there are a total of 12 students who have got the blood group O. So now if we sum these numbers, we get a total of 30, which tells us that we have not missed on any of the student. From the given table now, it will be easy for us to find out that which is the rarest blood group and which is the most common blood group. So we can see that blood group AB is the rarest, whereas the blood group O is the most common blood group. So this is how we solve this question.
To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.